Hey, eighth graders, this is Miss Morell with your recap of instruction on Thursday and Friday, November 4th and Wednesday, Thursday, November 4th and 5th. As you can see from the agenda, we have kind of wrapped up our study of plate tectonics and moved on to a very quick review of topographic or contour maps. And your learning target says that I can read and interpret a topographic map. So that's what we're going to be working on. Now, you guys had this a little bit last year. We did this during distance learning. And if you'll remember, you had to do a topographic map as part of your big ecology project. So you've had this material before. We just wanted to spend a little bit of time reviewing it. So let's go through the agenda. As always, click here if you missed class or just need a recap video. We completed our warm-ups. We also went through and made sure that everybody had turned in their plate tectonics Canva project because the due date on those was the 4th and 5th. So hopefully you guys all have that turned in. If you don't, please do so because those were due last week. So get that turned in. We then watched a really cool video of a sand table with three-dimensional, with a cool camera on it, a Kinect system, kinetic sand that modeled topographic maps and how to make one. We then, in class, we tried to do it with a potato, but there wasn't enough of a differential between the layers. So we ended up using the blue topographic models that we had in class. But if you were at home and don't have access to those blue models, you could absolutely use a potato. And on this page, there's a video showing you how to do that and a video showing you the important components of that map that give it meaning, that take it from just a group of concentric shapes to an actual representation of a 3D figure. So if you haven't already and you're at home, please work through this page and complete this assignment. We did the warm-up submission homework. We also, for class, asked you for homework, asked you to read about topographic maps. Here's an informational page that has a lot of information in it. It's got videos, it's got clips of pictures of the important components of a map and explanations. So there's a lot of information there. We will quickly go through that during the next class. And then if you haven't already, you will do your topographic maps learning check. So that is class on Wednesday, Thursday, November 4th and 5th. Hope this gets you where you need to be.